On my recent live streams, we talked about businesses, having a business and owning a business, or a side hustle business, or a side hustle company, zelfstandig in Belgium. A lot of advices we are given, a lot of things we are discussed and spoken about, and I just want to run it through for you guys. The number one biggest advice that all of us concluded that day was that it's better to register your business, because if you register your business, you can then do adverts online, you can then come online to sell. But if you don't register your business and they catch you, you are in trouble. Yeah. On that thing that was also said is that you see those branded logos you people are using. People, when you buy cream for people, they will have a branded logo on top of their container. That logo is supposed to actually be registered. If it's not registered, you are doing illegal activities, yeah, or doing it wrongly. Yeah. On that thing that was also said and emphasized by everybody was that because you register your business doesn't mean you immediately start paying tax. No, it doesn't work like that. You only pay taxes on the revenue, on the money you make and declare. So if you don't make sale, you don't make money, you don't declare money, you cannot be taxed. Yeah. On that thing that we mostly didn't agree on totally, I was of the opinion that every business owner, especially as a Black African person who is not good to paperwork, should have an accountant. Other people were like saying, no, love it, somebody that just started business today cannot have an accountant because accountant can be pricey. But if you know that you are not good to paperwork, please, I will still stand my point and have an accountant. If you know that you are good to paperwork, you can find your way around the system, then you don't need an accountant. You can do most of your paperwork yourself. Yeah. We also talked about how to open a business. First thing you have to do, you have to contact a social secretariat, which is a social secretary. Examples are Liantis, Aseta. You can contact them. Those are the people that will register your business for you, give you your BTW number, and give you your business registration number. Then after that, you go and open a business account. Then after that, you have to have an insurance, mandatory insurance for your business. Yeah. It was also advised firmly that you should not start business today and go and buy a shop or open a shop tomorrow. No, if it's from your garage, start the business there. If it's from your bedroom, start the business there. Another thing that was also advised is that if you start a business today, you should not go and stop your full-time work tomorrow. No. The minimum hours you have to work in order to be you can have a business as a side hustle, zelfstandig in Beroep, is actually 19 hours. So you don't need to fully stop your job to go and start running your business. No, you can combine it as long as you can. So you have to register your business. Because you register your business doesn't mean you are going to start paying tax. And before you are actually officially legally to have a branded logo, those branded stickers you are using is also supposed to register them. Before you can actually come and sell on social media, make adverts on social media, you're supposed to register the business. If you don't do that, if they catch you, you're on your own. Yeah. So those are the things that were actually mostly advice of how to have a business, how to run a business, and how to actually register your business in Belgium.